Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. If you are also one of the kids, CLAT 2027 aspirants, जिन्होंने मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा की, सारी की सारी क्लासेस लगाई, सारी की सारी बातें मानने की कोशिश की, लेकिन अभी भी आपका स्कोर अगर 70 to 80 मार्क के बैंडविड्थ से ऊपर निकल ही नहीं रहा है, then this video is for you. Well, there are a lot of reasons why this could happen. Let's take it step by step. Reason number one is that you don't really care much about mock analysis. For you, mock analysis means 1 का आंसर D है, 2 का आंसर A है. For you, mock analysis means बेटा आपने ऐसे ये वाला B ऑप्शन क्यों किया? आपने बोला पता नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं था कि मैंने B ऑप्शन क्यों किया. नहीं, C है ऑप्शन. ओके मैम, C है ऑप्शन. ये टीचर की गलती नहीं है, आपने टीचर से पूछा ही नहीं. You did not tell the teacher what was your thought process. You did not tell your faculty why you went for the wrong option, because you yourself don't remember why you went for the wrong option. And so the only way to do that is do your mock analysis on that very day. Just stop doing everything. बहुत सारे mocks दिए हैं अभी तक, 5 दिए होंगे, 10 दिए होंगे, 15 दिए होंगे, कुछ बच्चों ने तो बहुत सारे mocks दिए होंगे. I say put a pause button on the rest of the things, and for the next 3 to 4 days, please look at least your past 10 mocks. And what are you going to look at? What are you going to look at? A, what was my thought process? Why did I go wrong? If you don't remember it, attempt it again. This time around, when you're attempting it, and please don't write the answers पहले से and then just tell yourself, oh answer देखो B लिखा है, मुझे भी B ही लग रहा है. ऐसा नहीं करना है. You have to do it like you're doing it for the first time, only because of the fact that you lost that window, और वैसे आप भूल गए हो कि आपने क्या thought process से वो मार्क किया था. अब इस बार अराउंड अगर आपने ठीक मार्क कर दिया, नॉट बिकॉज आपने रट्टा मारा हुआ है और आपको याद है और आपकी फोटो बहुत ही ज्यादा फोटोजेनिक मेमोरी है. If at all you went for the same flawed logic as before, and now you're looking at the answer and the answer is again incorrect, that means you've not learned from your mistake. Please write down all of your mistakes and learn from them and don't repeat it. The second reason why your marks are not going beyond 70 to 80 ka range is because you are not attempting purely out of fear. मुझे नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं चाहिए, मुझे 100% की श्योरिटी नहीं है, मैंने छोड़ दिया. बेटा जितने आप छोड़ते रहेंगे उतने ही मार्क्स आपके कम आएंगे. वो तो बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है. नो वन इज आस्किंग यू टू इनडिस्क्रिमिनेटली बी लाइक ABCD जय माता दी लेट्स रॉक, राइट? बट यू हैव टू डू समथिंग. At least attempt the ones where you're more than 50% sort of sure. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या हो जाएगा, एक मॉक में नेगेटिव स्कोर आ जाएगा, आ जाने दो. क्या पता इंक्रीज हो जाए, क्योंकि ये बड़ी सिंपल सी बात है कि अटेम्प्ट अगर लो होगा और एक्यूरेसी कंप्लीट होएगी तो भी आपके उतने स्कोर नहीं आ रहे. सो यू विल हैव टू इवेंचुअली अटेम्प्ट मोर. Third is your broken time management. You just don't listen when a teacher tells you that 25 minutes for English, 25 minutes for logical, 10 से 15 मिनट for quant, 10 से 15 मिनट for GK, and finally 35 से 40 मिनट for legal reasoning. That's it, nothing more than that. Your time is up. You move on to the next section, regardless of whether that section is your favorite or not. It might just surprise you, right? Now, moving ahead, very, very importantly, the non-negotiable time caps, I think we've already spoken about them. Let's talk about the 4:1 rule. Let's take out that particular fear from your mind, the fear of getting too many negatives. And what if you do in a mock? What if you get negative? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मॉम डैड डांट देंगे, टीचर डांट देंगे, बाकी आगे पीछे वालों के ज़्यादा स्कोर आ जाएंगे. एटलीस्ट आपको तो पता चल जाएगा कि आपसे तुक्के नहीं लगते, राइट? बट तुक्के नहीं मारने, कैलकुलेटेड गेसेस मारने हैं, जहां पे मोर देन 50% यू आर श्योर दैट यू माइट जस्ट बी करेक्ट. बिकॉज गेस व्हाट, व्हेन यू अगर आप 4 गलत करेंगे ना तो आपका 1 नेगेटिव मार्क कम होगा. तो इसीलिए जब 50% से ज्यादा श्योरिटी है ना, 2 ऑप्शंस आपने वही एलिमिनेट कर दिए और आपको बस 2 ही के साथ थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है. I think mostly a child, I've seen it in the past, only for those children who have some logic behind that. Again, not like ऐसे randomly just choosing everything. mostly their score increases. So take that fear out of your mind. And how do I take that fear out of my mind? By telling myself that, listen, logically it is not possible for me to attempt less and score more, right? So I will have to score, I will have to attempt more. And if in case that is not happening in your case, then you will have to figure it out. Is it because of want of time? Is it because the genre was very, very complicated? Is it because you got super happy with your favorite section and so you ended up giving it your entire time and all of your energy that you didn't have anything to give for the other sections? You've got to figure that out for yourself, is why I say, you have to take out those 3 to 4 days, right? And eventually make an error log book for individual sections. Write down exactly what you did immediately after the mock. वो सबसे ज्यादा आपके दिमाग में फ्रेश होगा, नहीं तो आप भूलेंगे. At least close to 60 to 70% of the reasoning that you had at that time, you will keep forgetting that. Then you will make it up in your head, but you will never really have that in your mind. And that is a gold mine for you, because those are the mistakes that you shouldn't ever repeat, and they will definitely increase your score. So your next mock, what are you going to do? You're going to stick to the section time limit. You're going to apply the 50% rule. At least 8 ऐसे MCQs तुमने और additionally करने हैं मार्क, जहां पे तुम्हें 100% की श्योरिटी नहीं है लेकिन 50% से ज्यादा की श्योरिटी है. फिर देखो उसमें तुम्हारे मार्क्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं कि -2 हो रहा है, right? And finally write down 3 lessons in your book of errors before you sleep every single day pertaining to the different sections that you have in your CLAT 2027 examination. That's all from my end. Thank you very much. I will see you again with another video.